Heat a pan and add jeera, add rye, ginger and garlic, saute it, add some onions, add some tomatoes, one tomato and onion each, add one green chilli, stir it, let it cook for 5 minutes. Now we have to crush this in a mixture. Add the paste in the pan, add some masalas, red chilies, onions, salt. After 5 minutes, add the chole chana, mix it and let it cook for 15-20 minutes. Then add kasuri methi. After 5 to 10 minutes, it is ready. Look at the color, so delicious and yummy. Add lemon and garnish it. Now we are making masala kulchas. After applying the oil on the wheat kulcha, add some garam masala, jeera. Basically you can add whatever you want, but we have added garam masala, salt and some jeeras. Now roll it, and just like a string you have to apply some flour on it and make it a round circle, and then again try to make it. You can see how it is made. It is ready. Look at the color, look at the layers.